come to my attention that you don't know who I am.
Namaste guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another Halloween makeup tutorial. We are going to create the look of the goddess of death, Hela Odinsdottir. I will just paste her name somewhere here. It's hard to pronounce. Hela is from the movie Thor Ragnarok. She is a daughter of Odin and the elder sister of Thor and Loki. So if you want to know on how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. We are going to put the lightest color of foundation that I have, spread it all over our base, and this is the BLK BB CC Cream stick. Finishing it off with some translucent powder, and I'm going to use this Detail Mineral Loose Powder because she doesn't need a healthy and glowy skin. What she needs is to be dead inside and out. Filling in our brows using this BYS Brown Definition Kit. Use the black one. We are going to bring it down, slightly down to the bridge of our nose. I think this is to emphasize the resting beach face. It has very thin brows, so we're just going to try and make it look thinner. Did you know that she is the first female villain in a Marvel film? Talk about being the baddest. In this eyebrows, we really can't have those ombre eyebrows that we are obsessing about, so the darker the better. That is the key. Mixing this to the black and the brown, we are going to outline our eyeshadow and have a guideline on where to smudge it out. So I'm just going to line it up like that. Don't worry if it gets too dark because we are going to smudge it. Now, if you will see her makeup, she has like 3 strokes and she's just gone wild, like go beyond. Now with a fluffy brush, we are just going to blend this out. To give some more shadows to our makeup, we are going to use this Essence My Must-Haves in the shade Mauve Time. Mauve Time. She may not know this, but not only she conquered the 9 realms, but also conquered my heart. From the moment she started her scene, the entrance, the look, everything. Now we're gonna bring that down to our lash line. Now this would pass as a drunken lady look. Oh my gosh. Now to finish the whole look, we are going to use this Flormar Eyeliner in the shade number 101. Put some eyeliner in our upper and lower lash line. This will give the look an oomph. Let's try to smudge it just a little bit. This is the messier the better. Don't make me cry, please. Now, there are parts in the movies where her veins in her face appear when she's angry or triggered or being aggressive and all. We're gonna do that. So we will be using this Maybelline 24K Nudes palette, and we are going to use the, what's the color of the veins? I think it's violet. So, try and mix these 2 colors. It's the green and the black one. So it's as easy as put the pressure on the start first and then glide it like that. Does that look like a vein to you? So that's why it has to be a very thin brush, because she has a very sculpted face and I don't have. We are going to use this BYS Contouring Palette. Going to use the shadowy shade, which is this one. Tuck it in. Now we don't have to worry about blush ons and so on and so forth. Sculpt that. We have to be like a skull. To finish the whole look, we are going to use this Lustrous Nadine Lustre X BYS in the shade Leo, and this is a matte lipstick. It's a bit orangey, so we are going to go and top it off with a Careline matte liquid lipstick in the shade Gotta Go. Gotta Go.
You're in my seat. Kneel before your queen.
And that is it for today's look. I hope I gave justice to her makeup. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more Halloween looks that we have prepared for you guys. Like this video if you like the whole look. Share this to a friend in need. Comment down below which Halloween looks you want us to recreate. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Our Facebook is /drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queens. Thank you all for watching. See you on our next video. Bye!